Hello, Power BI community, and welcome to the February edition of the Power BI Monthly Update. I'm Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager on the Azure Data Team at Microsoft.
I'm Sweta Mannepalli, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Microsoft. I'm happy to share some cool Power BI updates alongside Patrick. Let's go, Patrick.
So, before we get into the updates and the features and all the great things about Power BI this month, let's talk about FabCon Vegas. Sweta.
So, Fabric Conference, for folks who haven't heard about it yet, it's from March 30th to April 3rd in Las Vegas with hundreds of sessions focused on all things data, all things Microsoft Fabric. Make sure you register with the code or link that you see here.
And the most important thing, we're going to be there. So, say hello if you see us. We're so excited to see you, and we can't wait to meet all you there. All right, Sweta, let's get into this update.
Patrick, since the world is buzzing with AI, why not kick our updates with that? What do you think?
Yeah, a little Copilot. A little Copilot. I love it. Let's do it.
Perfect. Originally launched for phones, Copilot in the Power BI mobile apps is easily available for folks to analyze data, uncover insights while on the go. And we are thrilled to announce that it is now available for all the iPads and Android tablets. How cool is that?
Yeah, and so before, if you imagine the form factors, you have your little phones. Maybe they'll show me on with my little phone. You have your little phone, and for that's working on those small devices, it can be kind of challenging for someone. So now we're opening it up to all different form factors: iPads, Android tablets. It's just going to make working with Power BI so much easier. But there's a few more updates that we want to talk about. Whenever you use Copilot, it'll actually tell you how Copilot arrived at the answer that it sent out for you. There's lots of Copilot going on this month, and we're all excited about these updates.
We believe in having the internet's things right at our fingertips, and Power BI is no exception to that.
That's right. That's right. Click, 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 right at our fingertips.
Next up, let's talk about reporting, Patrick. How many of you have been exploring visual calculations? As you all know, we're always eager to learn from our customers on what's working best and what's working at all. So, with that in mind, we are rolling out another cool feature on visual calculations. Patrick, take it away.
Now, I'm excited about this update because I just had a conversation with Mr. Jeffrey Wang himself, right? Everybody knows Jeffrey. And we're going to talk about some visual calcs. But now this feature is really going to help take visual calcs to the next level. We're listening. We're listening to what everybody's saying. And so this was an actual customer requested features. So go check it out. And finally, a big update because published to web, everybody's sharing the beautiful reports that they create out with everybody in the world. And now you can integrate your Azure maps directly in those visuals. This is a big step forward for published to web and our Azure mapping capability.
Next up, we have modeling. They have made major strides in improving modeling performance for live editing of direct lake semantic models in Power BI Desktop. But keep in mind, this works only if you upgrade your Power BI Desktop, and you will notice at least 50% boost in speed with every modeling change that you make. Be sure to check out this feature.
Next up, we have three new Power BI visualizations. We have a drill down donut Pro, we have the heat map, and we have maximized data efficiency with Echo Master Data. And so it's great to see new custom visuals coming out every month because that means I can add a little more flair to all the reports that I'm creating out there and sharing with everyone in the world. And finally, for all you administrators out there and all you semantic modelers out there, the people that's creating the semantic models, you can now monitor refreshes of your semantic models directly in the monitoring hub in Fabric. So instead of going to your semantic model, going to the workspace, going to the settings of your semantic model and looking to check if it refreshed, you can do all this in a centralized place.
Oh, that's amazing, Patrick. The next section is my most favorite. Power BI is all about community. It's created by the people and for the people. And we are thrilled to shine the spotlight on Pallavi Rattare for this month. And she has been a Power BI community member since February 2024 with an impressive record of 80 plus kudos, 40 plus solutions that she responded to or solved for, 180 plus replies. That's amazing, Patrick. That might have taken a lot of her personal time into catering to the community needs, which is amazing. Pallavi Pallavi's contributions are truly outstanding. Now, a few fun facts about Pallavi. She loves blending cooking with coding to make her day more exciting. Yoga keeps her grounded, and she enjoys learning chess with her kids. Another favorite trait of mine for Pallavi is she is great at problem solving with Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, PySpark, PowerShell, and Purview. That's all things data and Microsoft Fabric. We also hear Pallavi is eager to start a user group. Why wait? Reach out to us, Pallavi, and we are here to help you and make those happen. Well done, and keep up the amazing work. We truly appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, if you want to know more about this update, be sure to go check out the complete update blogs. You'll see all the details about all the features, all the capabilities that are released this month. If you have questions about Power BI, about Fabric, be sure to check out the Power BI community forums at aka.ms/Power BI community. If you have questions, if you have feedback about what we're doing here with the Power BI update, please let us know. Post it in the comments below. Your feedback is very important to us. And as always, from Swetha, Microsoft, and myself, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.